aside, I watch the stars forget to rise. I carve my questions in the stone, but heard no answer, just my own. Then came the nightingale at dawn, singing the promise I'd outgrown. Not loud, but steady, clear and true, a single note that called me through. I knelt where shadows used to fall, and felt the hush begin to call. No thunder rolled, no fire burned, just one small song the desert near when words run thin, in morning's hush beneath my skin. You stitch the silence into grace and meet me